for its beautiful reef and crystal clear waters. It is a national park, so you're not allowed to take anything from the island or the waters around it. It is said that Conception Island was one of the many landing places of Christopher Columbus. Now back to the water. The tour had a lot of underwater firsts at Conception Island. Tour's deepest free dive at 28 feet. My first wreck dive. And the in the water mangrove adventure. We see a lot of cool things in the water. We see sharks, turtles, lots of fish. This is a conch. They're basically giant snails, but they're also one of the most popular foods in the Bahamas. We found a cool tunnel that went all the way through the coral head. And a wreck. One of my favorite things to do on the boat is go snorkeling. Usually we see lots of fish, cool coral, and sometimes we catch something like a lobster. But it's always nice to get home.